So we've got turtle and system math here. This one makes all the things that draw on my screen. This one just lets me run the code for longer. This one lets me use a bit of math. This creates the window. This creates all the turtles. This sets their speed. This sets their colors. And here we're going to start drawing the roads. So we want the pen to be up so we can move it into position. So it starts at 0, 0 facing east or to the right. So we turn it 90 degrees left, so it goes up here, and then over 50. And then we put it down and start here at this point. And we go down, over, around, and up, back here. And then for the vertical one, we go like this, down, like that. For road markings, this one means for I in range 4, so we do this block here 4 times. So we start in the center, facing east, so we go forward 50 to get to here, go forward 30 with the pen down, move 30 with the pen up, 30 pen down, 30 pen up, 30 pen down. Then go back, rotate 90, and do that again for a total 4 times. For the crosswalks, we have 4 crosswalks here, so we pick up the pen once here, and we move it 70 this way to this corner right here. Then, since it's facing 45 degrees right now, we make it straight again. And then we put the pen down. And we want to make 9 lines. So we turn it right, move it here, move this way, come back, turn it right, move here, and every single one. So we do this thing 9 times, 4 times, for a total of 36 lines. This one is for drawing the car. This one's a little complicated, but first we want to pick up the pen right here. So this is the little thing that's a blueprint for drawing the car. So we want to pick up the pen, move the car where we want it to be, rotate the car we want it to be, and then put the pen down. And then move the wheels to the position of the car. So we pick the wheels up, put them to 0, 0, facing east, and move them to the car position and rotate them in the same position as the car. Then we draw them, draw the wheels, a circle of radius of 5. We make that, we move forward, make another circle, and we stop. Here we get the windshield length. I just set it up here. And we start remembering where the shape starts. So we move forward 40, right 90, like this way. Forward 40, right 90 again for 45. Then we 45 and we go up 7, over 6. We go down 45 and then over 7. And we just stick that on top of the wheels. And this is where we call the car function. So since we've made it so modular, we can call the car, for car 1, we want it to be at negative 25x over here. Right here. And we want it to be at y 120, which is about here. And we want it to be rotated 270 degrees from east. So facing down in the right lane. We make stop signs here. So we pick the pen up to start, turn it left 45 degrees. So we come up this way. And then we put the pen down and start moving this way to this point here. Then we move into the center and out this way. The circle is drawn. Then we pick the pen up, go to 0, 0, and then do the same thing for 4 times. Now here's the function to draw the trees. So which turtle are we going to use? Where do you want it to be? How wide do you want the trunk? How tall do you want it to be? How wide do you want the leaf sections right here to be? How many sections do you want for leaf number sections? What color? How much separation between the pieces do you want? And how much taper do you want? So we come down here and we get T turtle pen color and we set it. Then we pick up the pen and we go to where we set it right here. Then for I in range 2, that means we do it twice. We go like this. We go up once and then down another time for a total of 2 times. So we're right here right now. So we want to actually come back up to this spot right here and move into this spot. We then move half of the width that we set earlier right here out to the side. We turn 135 degrees this way. Move the width again. Then we come down again and come to the middle and move up the height. Now, I used a bit of math here to make this more perfect, because there's some special math things you can do to make everything look perfect and stack them nicely. But this is just basically drawing the triangle. And right here, we have our section separation. So this is how much we want these little triangles to be separated when they're stacked on top of each other. And this taper right here, it subtracts off a bit from the width each time. So see, it kind of like creates a little taper there. And here we make our 2 trees. So we want to put our tree at X 130, Y 100. We have a trunk width of 7, a trunk height of 15, a tree width of 40. We want 3 sections. This is the color of the trunk. This is the color of the leaves. We want a section section separation of 5 and a taper of 10. And then same thing down here, but we want a section separation of 3 and a taper of 5. Then here at the end, we just hide all the turtles and wait for the user to be done.